Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Crimson Desert black screen issues or if the game won't launch on your Windows PC. First, verify the game files. Missing or corrupted files are one of the most common reasons why the game fails to start. Open Steam, right-click on Crimson Desert, select Properties, go to the Installed Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically replace any damaged or missing files. If the game opens to a black screen, press Alt+Enter while it is launching. This forces the game into windowed mode, which can help if the Blackspace engine has trouble starting with 4K resolution, ultra-wide monitors, or high refresh rate displays. Next, disable background overlays. These can conflict with the game and cause it to stay on a black screen or minimize during startup. Turn off the Steam overlay, disable the Discord in-game overlay, and if you use an NVIDIA graphics card, disable the GeForce Experience or Shadowplay overlay before launching the game again. Now update your graphics driver. Download and install the latest game-ready driver for NVIDIA or the latest Adrenalin driver for AMD from the official website. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. Finally, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, clear the DirectX cache. Press Windows+R, type %local app data%, and press Enter. Open the DX cache folder, delete its contents, then restart your PC. Windows will automatically rebuild the cache the next time you launch the game. Thanks for watching.